Well, in trading, sometimes it's like the general election results, right? We can have all the talks like how bearish it is, how a country shouldn't be run, how the market should be led, how it should react. End of the day, we have to look at the results. The weekly chart on dollar yen has already shown that it's a very strong US dollar movement. But do take note that Japan basically, even though the PM didn't sworn to really intervene the market, whichever it takes. This is something that they used to love to say, but I believe they will be taking action because of the unhappiness that's happening between the two countries, right? So if you're not familiar with it, drop me a DM, get into our community, we can have that discussion. All facts, no fluff, no stirring stuff up, right? So I believe this is one of the most dangerous pair to trade because intervention come in, sometimes they will not even let you know, right? But in this case, I believe there will be ample warning sign because the Japan government somehow need the traders to stay off and stay away from buying dollar yen. They want people to sell dollar yen to help them to have a push. But ultimately, it really depends on the policy itself. It couldn't be just, central bank throwing money to make it move the direction they want. We have seen that this strategy often fail for Japan, right? It doesn't work at the max. It will hold out for 10 to 14. Sometimes, if you're lucky, 20 days, then you will just come back to the price and it will go even worse than that, right? So, this is how I find that trading, especially in this case, small account like us, is rather fair. Because traders, we are just like a jury of the market, right? So that's it. Strong buying price, support price at 157.81. Daily charts are what we can see if you're looking for a counter trend trading opportunity, which I'm looking for because I believe Japan is going to take some action real soon. I'll be focusing on a lot selling opportunity, although these setup could be a bit difficult because you can see the execution zone is very limited right now. Latest by 31st of March, the last day of March, we have to see the market touches here and show me a magic candle confirmation, which means Monday you have to reach this price, this box, and by Tuesday you have to show a weakening sign, if I may say. For our chart, give us a more opportunity or longer time frame to wait for a bearish crab pattern setup. I'm waiting for a selling opportunity between 161.49 to 161.30. On the 1 hour chart, of course, other opportunity includes something like this, ABCD pattern, right? There are previous structure. That's how I'm plotting it. That's how I'm trading this. Selling opportunity 160.66. But because it is a 1 hour chart, I'll need a further confirmation. Either I see a bearish engulfing candle that happens, then I'll just, look for a selling opportunity when the engulfing candle happens. But in this case, my stop loss will be pushing a bit further because of this intense situation. Or I want to see a double top with RSI divergence enter for a selling opportunity. Right, so that's dollar yen for me, one of the most dangerous pair, but it does give huge potential if you are experienced and you know what you're doing. But for me, dollar yen, I've been looking at it for 19 or 20 years thereabout, right? So I'm pretty familiar with its movement. So if you're not, then just stay away.